Hey everyone, how are you? If you want to buy latest and the best gadget of this year, then you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the greatest gadget of this year. Today we are here with an interesting video. Now I will make video on top 3 VILTROX lens of camera of 2023. If you like the product and want to buy the products, you need to go through the link which is in the description box. Product name: VILTROX 24mm, 35mm, and 50mm lens. The VILTROX 24mm, 35mm, and 50mm f1.8e autofocus lenses are a series of prime lenses designed for Sony E-mount cameras, specifically catering to models like the Sony a6000, a6400, and a7II, among others. These lenses offer a versatile range of focal lengths, including 24mm, 35mm, and 50mm, allowing photographers to capture various types of scenes with different perspectives. One of the standout features of these lenses is their wide maximum aperture of f1.8. This wide aperture not only allows for excellent low light performance, but also provides the potential for achieving a shallow depth of field, resulting in beautiful background blur, bokeh, and subject isolation. The lenses are compatible with Sony's full-frame mirrorless cameras. The autofocus functionality of these lenses makes them convenient for both photography and videography. The quick and accurate autofocus system helps capture sharp and clear images, even when working with moving subjects or changing compositions on the fly. This feature is particularly beneficial for capturing dynamic scenes or spontaneous moments. The lenses are designed with a focus on optical performance, aiming to deliver high-resolution and well-defined images. The inclusion of advanced optical elements helps to minimize various aberrations, such as chromatic aberration and distortion, contributing to improved image quality. These VILTROX lenses are specifically tailored to Sony E-mount cameras, ensuring seamless communication between the lens and the camera body. This compatibility allows users to access camera features like electronic aperture control and metadata transfer, enhancing the overall shooting experience. In summary, the VILTROX f1.8e autofocus lenses offer photographers and videographers a versatile set of prime lenses for Sony E-mount cameras. With their wide apertures, autofocus capabilities, and compatibility with full-frame sensors, these lenses provide creative opportunities for capturing a wide range of scenes, from landscapes to portraits, while maintaining high-quality. Product name: VILTROX 13mm, 23mm, 33mm, and 56mm. The VILTROX 13mm, 23mm, 33mm, and 56mm f1.4 lenses are a series of autofocus ultra-wide-angle and standard prime lenses designed specifically for Sony E-mount cameras with APS-C sensors, including models like the a6400, a7II, and a7R. These lenses offer varying focal lengths and are optimized to provide high-quality imagery, catering to different photographic styles and creative needs. The standout feature of this lens series is their wide maximum aperture of f1.4, allowing for excellent low-light performance and depth of field control. The combination of the large aperture and the respective focal lengths enables photographers to achieve stunning bokeh effects, making the subject stand out in a blurred background. The VILTROX lenses are designed to cover a range of perspectives, making them versatile tools for different genres of photography. The 13mm lens offers an ultra-wide-angle view, making it suitable for landscapes, architecture, and creative perspectives that capture more of the scene. The 23mm and 33mm options provide standard wide-angle perspectives that are ideal for street photography, environmental portraits, and general-purpose shooting. On the other hand, the 56mm lens offers a short telephoto focal length, which is well suited for portraits and subject isolation. These lenses are built with autofocus capabilities, ensuring quick and accurate focusing on subjects, which is particularly valuable for capturing moving subjects or fast-paced scenarios. The compatibility with Sony E-mount cameras ensures seamless integration and communication between the lens and the camera body. Photographers using APS-C sensor cameras will benefit from these lenses' focal lengths, as they are specifically designed to match the smaller sensor size, providing the equivalent field of view as their full-frame counterparts. In summary, the VILTROX 13mm, 23mm, 33mm, and 56mm f1.4 lenses offer a range of focal lengths with a wide aperture, catering to various photographic styles, from expansive landscapes to intimate portraits. With their autofocus capabilities and compatibility with Sony E-mount APS-C cameras, these lenses provide photographers with the tools to capture compelling and creative images in a variety of situations. Product name VILTROX 75mm. The VILTROX 75mm f1.2 Fuji Pro lens is a notable addition to the lineup of lenses designed for Fujifilm X f-mount cameras, including models like Fuji X-T4, X-T5, XPR01, and X-A7. This lens stands out for its impressive features and capabilities, making it an appealing choice for photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. One of the standout features of the VILTROX 75mm f1.2 lens is its large aperture of f1.2. A large aperture allows for excellent control over depth of field, making it perfect for creating images with beautiful bokeh and subject isolation. This is particularly useful for portrait photography, as the lens can produce stunning background blur while keeping the subject in sharp focus. The inclusion of autofocus technology in this prime lens enhances its usability moments without compromising on image quality. The 75mm focal length offers a versatile perspective for various photographic genres. It is particularly well suited for portraits, allowing for a flattering compression of facial features and a natural look. The lens focal length also makes it suitable for other applications, such as street photography, event coverage, and creative compositions. Designed specifically for Fujifilm X f-mount cameras, the VILTROX 75mm f1.2 lens is engineered to provide optimal performance and compatibility with these camera models. It takes advantage of the camera's features and capabilities to deliver high-quality images. In summary, the VILTROX 75mm f1.2 Fuji Pro lens is a powerful prime lens, catering to Fujifilm X f-mount cameras. Its wide aperture, autofocus capabilities, and versatile focal length make it a valuable tool for photographers aiming to. This lens offers the potential to elevate your photography to the next level.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.